Hi! Hello! Sawadee. My name is Nestor P. Hamito, and of course, I am a teacher from the Philippines. I hold a bachelor's degree in business teacher education, major in entrepreneurship. I worked for almost 16 years in field of teaching. But as of now, I am enjoying as an online class teacher in ACADSOC, teaching Chinese nationalities in different ages, wherein I can hone and mold my English proficiency. I believe effective communication is essential in today's globalized world. And I still strive this passion to my students, encouraging them to speak confidently, including listening, speaking, reading, and of course, writing. Being a teacher should be amiable, empathetic, kind, and friendly. I hope and looking forward to working at your school. Kapong kap.